Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Raalah and I am from WebDoc, and today I am going to discuss with you women's health. Now I am going to tell you 5 tips for the prevention of top 3 diseases. Some diseases don't fight fair. Why do we say that? Well, some diseases affect women at a higher rate than men. Example of these diseases are number 1 osteoporosis, number 2 arthritis, number 3 heart disease. Today, purpose of my discussion is to empower women to make their health a priority. This discussion is to encourage you to consider making few changes to your life to help protect your bones, joint and heart and keep you as healthy as possible. These preventions are number 1, eat healthy. Plan a balanced diet that includes lots of fruits, vegetables and low fat proteins, and avoid food that are high in sodium and saturated fat. And make sure you are taking enough amount of calcium and vitamin D. Number 2, get moving. Being physically active can protect your heart from high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Number 3, get to and maintain healthy weight, because carrying extra weight can be hard to your bones and joints. Number 4, stop smoking and limit your drinking. Number 5, partner with your doctor. Now, this is very important because your wellness includes both disease prevention and treatment. And if your doctor prescribes you medication to help, make sure you take it. Taking care of women's health is very important, and disease prevention is part of that. Honor yourself this by taking steps to live a healthier life. Thank you.